I would like to start by thanking you, Lata, for the introduction and for being an amazing participant at the South Asian Heart Center. Thank you, Dr. Sariappan, for inviting us to this Red Sari Gala event. The South Asian Heart Center appreciates this invitation and is delighted to collaborate with Red Sari to raise awareness of the heart disease epidemic. Anita, what is the South Asian Heart Center?
Like Red Sari, the center is a nonprofit organization founded in 2006 at El Camino Health in Northern California. The center's mission is to reduce the high incidence of diabetes and heart attacks in Indians with culturally tailored, science-based, and lifestyle-focused prevention services. Over the last 15 years, we have engaged the community in halting heart attacks and stopping diabetes with a structured lifestyle program called Aim to Prevent. Let us see what happens when you join Aim to Prevent program.
Scientific research shows that if you're from the Indian subcontinent, you have a higher risk for heart attacks and diabetes at a younger age. The South Asian Heart Center's unique Aim to Prevent program helps you lower your risk through simple lifestyle changes. In the first step, assess. We use advanced technology to screen for your hidden risks. In the next step, intervene. We counsel you with expert advice on lifestyle meds personalized to your risk profile. In the third step, manage. We have heart health coaches who can monitor your progress and motivate you to stay on track. Our findings show that Aim to Prevent works. If you aim to prevent, get started now.
Ashish, we are often asked, how do we measure success at the center?
The first metric, of course, is are we successful in engaging the community? Through our outreach, we have educated over 90,000 individuals, engaged 2,500 volunteers and donors, and created an affiliated network of over 500 referring physicians. The next metric is, are we improving the health habits of our community?
Of course. Over half of our participants report eating better with added vegetables and fruits in their diet and exercising more with the increased physical activity. So, does this mean that we are improving the community's risk profile, Ashish?
Indeed, as we look at over 9,500 participants engaged from 38 US states, 6 countries, and several corporations, the study cohorts show that 7 of 10 have improved their A1C levels, 64% have improved their cholesterol ratio, and 68% have lost weight. And finally, are we reducing the incidence of heart disease?
Absolutely. 98.7% have had no adverse events over a 6-year follow-up. So, what do you think is the secret sauce to our participant success?
Anita, as the chair of our case management, you know that besides the structure and powerful simplicity of our lifestyle platform, it is truly the human touch provided by our health coaches that makes the critical difference. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today and for paying attention to your health. We look forward to our collaboration with Red Sari in raising awareness and preventing heart attacks in our community. Thank you.